Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Weather with Ryan, the most comprehensive weather forecast on YouTube. Now, today is the day. Today is the day for severe weather down in the Mississippi region. Let's take a look at that. No, I don't want to do that. Let us go to the day one outlook. Still a moderate risk. It's been pushed up a little bit. Yesterday, I don't really remember actually. Yesterday, I could have sworn that the cutoff for the severe weather risk was right there for the moderate. So now it's been pushed up towards Memphis, all that. Let's take a look at the tornado risk. Still a significant risk, 15% significant hatched region for tornadoes. 10% hatched region. They've actually pushed that up towards Mayfield and all that. 10% and then a 5%. Let's take a look at the wind. Oh my. 30% hatch risk for strong wind. Memphis, Covington, Union City, Mayfield, Dresden, Savannah, Cleveland, Monticello, Pine Bluff. Let's take a look at the hail. So hail still isn't really a considerable threat. I mean, there's still 15%, but that's not really my concern right now. I'm wanting to go over more of my region. This video is going to be dedicated towards Western Kentucky, mainly for the severe weather threat. So right now, currently ongoing, we got a nice QLCS squall line going from Tiptonville, New Madrid. It's going all the way up through Owensboro, and that's going to continue. Let's play the radar. That has been going on for some substantial amount of time. It is riding this low pressure system. Let's take a look at how high these. Oh man. Yeah, that's pretty high up. I'll give them that. Jeez. So yeah, this morning you're gonna have some nice thunder and some nice amounts of rain. Yeah, this has been going on for a hot bit. But yeah, so for the severe weather aspect for later today, let's pull up Noah Bergen's Facebook page. I have it pulled up right over here. So, he put out, Noah Bergen, WPSD, amazing meteorologist. He has put out 3 possible scenarios that will affect. One of these scenarios will happen tonight. There's no doubt about it. It depends on where the front is. If the front is south, if it's south and doesn't go back up north, then there will be no severe weather for us in Western Kentucky. Obviously, there will be some for mainly Northwest Tennessee. Obviously, this is the best case. This is the best case scenario. Like I've been saying, the front moves down to the south. We won't be getting any severe weather in Western Kentucky. Severe risk stays mainly Northwest Tennessee, Boot Hill. Strong tornado potential stays south of I-40 in Tennessee. This is the best case scenario for us in Western Kentucky. Obviously, we're hoping for that. This is the middle of the road scenario. Severe risk possible. Western Kentucky, Tennessee, Missouri. Wind damage and tornado possible. This is whenever the front moves a little bit back up. Not all the way up into southern Illinois. Obviously there will be a severe weather risk, obviously for mainly wind and heavy rain, but tornadoes, obviously you can't rule that out. And then this is the worst case scenario. Damaging winds possible, tornado probable, a strong EF2 tornado or 2 possible. Yeah, this is the worst case scenario. You see, that's whenever the low pressure system moves way up into southern Illinois. And that's whenever all the nice tornado ingredients, all that warm air, dew points, wind shear, all that gets sucked up from the moderate risk and all those areas sucked up into Western Kentucky. And that's whenever we have to worry. And actually, this is the worst case scenario has actually been looking more probable, which is kind of concerning. Let me pull up Noah's page again. This is his Twitter page. So this is NATOcast. This is a blend of models that forecast tornado probabilities. Obviously, the hatch risk right here. Obviously, that is not good. 10% of tornadoes within 25 miles of a point or your location. Not good. Obviously, hatch risk. Black hatch equals, well, it doesn't equals. It means 10% risk of EF2 or higher tornadoes. Obviously, not good. We have that little bit, 15% risk right now down in, where is that? That's close to Memphis. So, yeah, obviously. And if the NATOcast and all this, if the significant tornado parameters, SIGTOR, keeps on going this way, if it keeps on going up like it was, that's not good. That's really not good for our local 6 region. Last night, the models, last night, SIGTOR and all that, they were still all down here, down in the moderate area. But now, all of a sudden, they're wanting to push up towards here. And I think it's because of the NAM and the HRRR models. They have been showing the low pressure system, low pressure, right now. This is where it would be. They're showing the low pressure going up this way. That's not what we want. That is the worst case scenario. But the NAM has been showing that, but the HRRR has been showing it going this way, where we'd get the middle of the road scenario. And the front, and then so they're way off. The models are still kind of not really in agreement. And then all the other models are showing the low pressure just being stupid or not even forming or whatever, and the front is staying the same. So that's whenever we're out of the severe weather risk. It's still, obviously, the models will update, things will change. I will update you guys throughout the day. Whenever I get home from school, I'll make a video right when I get home from school with all the updated models, because I want everyone to be weather aware and all this, because you never know. This has actually been one of the more harder storms to predict for the WPSD team, meteorologists, and all that. I'm gonna close radar omega. That's annoying, but yeah, this is we'll just have to see what happens. I mean, it's kind of hard because all the models are still all over the place. You really don't know, but the NATOcast is kind of concerning because the NATO, every single time the NATOcast puts out stuff like this, tornadoes do happen. NATOcast is very, very accurate, which is concerning. But anyway, I just wanted to update you guys on this little video on this about the severe weather in Western Kentucky and all that. I will continue to update you guys throughout the day. Hey, what's up, guys? I literally completely forgot to show you guys the dew points. I completely forgot about it. So right now this is 0Z on Friday, 7 p.m. 65, 64 down in Western Kentucky and all that. Let's take a look at the soundings. This is for the HRRR, by the way. Most unstable Cape, 572. Also, never, ever listen to this. Never listen to the probable hazard type. Please, for the love of Jesus, do not listen to that. That is such a lie. Because I remember whenever the severe weather outbreak was happening down Louisiana, down near Shreveport, I was looking at the soundings. It said no severe weather, and they ended up having an EF2. What? But yeah, that's a trick that Noah taught me. But I mean, the Cape values, I mean, they're not really that high. I mean, we're not really looking at Cape. We're looking more at shear and wind. But yeah, I just want to show you guys the dew points and all that for tonight. 0Z, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, that's still, don't get me wrong. This is still, I mean, these dew points are still pretty good. They're still pretty good. We are now anticipating the front to, let me pull up this again because this is the best map I got. We're now anticipating the frontal boundary to go across the Ohio Valley. So let's say, let's change my color. I don't know what color that is. I don't know. Yeah, so this, let's say this is the front. So if the front goes out like this, then there will be a nice chance of severe weather down in western Kentucky and obviously down in Tennessee. But Tennessee's already going to get it anyway. But yeah, that's what Trent Urkerson said just on Local 6 today. Oh, obviously, I'll continue to update you guys on this. So yeah, that's all I want to show you.